used. So, because my pliers, I already know exactly how much I have to give it according, because these pliers are different from different companies. Sometimes it's, some companies make it thicker over here, so I know if I use the first step or the second or whatever, okay? But I'm going to try. So, first, we place the plier this way on the distal, I could say, of the T. See, like this, on the distal. This T.
Distal loop.
Yeah, on the distal, see?
Distal part.
Right, distal part to do this.
Snoopy better.
See? And if you want quite a bit of intrusion, you can do it more, but it's on the distal like that. That's the first step. And then I do the same thing on the other side. See, right here, right? And make sure that kind of both are the same, Looks like I did more on this side, little. But, so, and you have something like that. And that's the first part.
This is intrusion.
Okay? So this was, remember, the plier like this. Now, I have to do the final step, so the plier will change the position and be used like this in the mesial part of the T. Okay, on the mesial part of the T, like this, and it will go in. Very easy.
It's going to be Snoopy.
And it's Snoopy, right? Okay, so now one leg shorter than the other. Okay, so the teeth that are over here are going to be in a different step, right? Now, if you want to add more torque, send the incisors forward even more, you can also do the gable. The gable is here, distal to the tip, the leg.
You hold two legs or one leg?
No, only one leg.
Only one leg.
Yeah, because it's longer, you know what I mean? So just like this, and a little bit up. You don't need to do too much. A little bit up. See? This leg over here, a little bit up. And then I put it here, and see how it goes. Yeah? So this, yeah, when you engage, the incisors are really going to do this. And besides, of course, you have the intrusion too. So that's the Snoopy with the cable. Snoopy and cable. And the other thing that I wanted to make sure that you know how to do, because a lot of people are going to have arch coordination problems, and your arch may be too big, is make this smaller. Make it really smaller, more constricted, and so you always start using the hollow chop plier first in this part over here. See, only, let's say that I want to do a very, very, very constricted. Yeah, it's always this part first. Sometimes you have to do it to a point that it's going to look kind of like this. Okay? And so, and then you have to send the other part out because you don't want to constrict here. You want to constrict only the canine. So first we do it like that. And then I want to send the other part out, and I will change the plier and position like this. and then this part is going to go
Okay.
up, but this will stay constricted. Okay, so goes out, see? And you do it kind of where the canine is. Okay, but this part is going to stay constricted. And this part, same, because you don't want to cause a posterior crowbar, nothing like that, right?
เพื่อให้แค่นายเข้ามา
เส้นนี้ใช่ไหม
ก่อนที่แค่นาย
เส้นนี้ใช่ไหม
มันไม่ให้ขับออก
ไม่จะขอดูว่ามัน
ให้มัน
เปลี่ยน
เกิด
ให้ฟันหน้ามันมีโอเวอร์เจน
เก่งครับ compare
ของเจง
before
Oh, compare? Yeah, you can, you do it according to what you need, right? If I need more constriction, I do it more. It all depends on what you need. Okay, but usually that's kind of enough because this is, and sometimes people might have even like a square over here, you know what I mean? And you can also do it, you might have something like this. Right, something like it's more a square in the front,
อ๋อ
and
อันนั้น
yeah, like a different shape, and you can also change to something like that. See, this can also be changed to taper, although it's very square in the front.
ตัดเองได้จากโอวันสแควร์กับโอวันเทปเปอร์ แต่ในไทยไม่ได้ใช่ไหม
So this is kind of a square, right? Like a square shape, but also you can change it to taper. Okay, make a big difference. And same, you start working over here.
like from K9 to K9
Yeah, just in the front first.
ทำไมเนี่ย
ได้เอาไปทำบ้างแบบว่ามีเคสเดียวอันนี้ก็เป็นเทปเปอร์คนไข้เขาแบบผัดมันก็แบบเป็นสองสลับหน้าเขาตรงๆอย่างเงี้ยอยากให้มี
See? Color chop, and then I send the other part out, so it's going to be like this and out. I know you can also do it with your finger if you want, but this really gonna be constricted now, and your canine will constrict, and your incisors will go forward. That's what you need, okay? Because a lot of times you have the torque, no anterior overshed. So as you constrict over here the canine, the incisors go forward. So you recover, and then you can close the space, 2, 3, because many times people have a big space over here, and the incisors are like this. So you cannot close the space, so you need to send them forward, and then you can close the space.